Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are taking on this desk. We absolutely love the desk, but the top is cracked. And so we're getting a bit creative today to get this fixed up. So start by measuring it out. And then we are using some luxury vinyl plank flooring. So this is a rigid core flooring. We've picked a bit of a thicker one that has some durability and strength to it. So that's going to both support from the top as well as give it this really beautiful finish that so many desks are going with the light wood on top and the white on the bottom. So getting it laid down, you can measure and cut, but we just made it simple and went underneath and marked it out there, and then we use the table saw to get it cut. We're just going to double check that everything fits here. The nice thing about using the vinyl plank flooring is that it does have the click system on it, so it holds itself together and it doesn't have any rough edges. We're going to use double-sided tape to adhere it. This is actually carpet seam tape that we have here, so it's a really strong double-sided tape. Going to go around the outsides there and then across the middle as well to make it nice and secure. Might be overkill here, but we want to make sure that it lasts as this is a favorite desk of ours and it's going to get lots of wear and tear. All right, so once it's all stuck down well, we're going to peel off that backing and expose this sticky side of the tape here. And then we are going to be getting this vinyl plank flooring in place. The nice thing about using the double-sided tape is that it adheres really quick. You can get right to it. You could use some other adhesives, lots of options out there that would work. But the tape, it just makes it a really quick and easy solution for us. So that's why we are going with it here. So getting those last strips off while we finish that up, make sure to hit that subscribe button and that like button. Lots of other tips of things you can do with vinyl plank flooring. So good. All right, so let's go ahead and get this on. So we're starting in one corner, getting it all lined up. This was why we made sure that it fit there, so we knew we were good. On this one, we're just making sure we got that click nice and secure in place before we stick down. You saw before and you see here that double-sided tape. It is so strong. And so it's beautiful here. And getting that front piece in place, and there we have it. Please make sure to hit that subscribe button and the thumbs up. Like I said, we have lots of tips and tricks on actually installing vinyl plank flooring on the floor, on the stairs, as well as all sorts of other little projects around your home that you could use it for. Here is our finished product. You can see here that beautiful light wood finish on the top with the black bottom. It is striking. And along that front there, that cut edge of the vinyl, we simply took a little bit, you could use a black permanent marker, a little bit of black paint to just finish that up. And as you can see, it is beautifully finished. So hit that thumbs up and we'll see you in the next video.